So today is the last day at CES. I'm exploring the Venetian and I have several booths that I find them to be interesting. So let's have a look-see. So I'm at Enabot booth at the Venetian. This is a new family robot, CES winners. See, the CES award winner. And this can basically, you can control this anywhere in the world, and it takes video there from its head and even communicate with the family member, or in my case, my dog. These ones are the smaller version and it's already been available on Amazon for about $200 plus US dollars, and that's what it is. It's still cute.
This technology combined with relentless pursuit of excellence at Enabot makes
and that's the comparison between the new Enabot X and then this is the new, I mean the old Air system. Yeah, if you're afraid you get accidentally kicked or the pet kicked it over, it will always tumble back to the normal position and then you can start recontrolling it again. And this unit also have a laser in front of it, a laser pointer, so your pet can play with it. And yeah, you can attract the pet, be it my dog or a cat. We have Govee. So these are the new Govee lights. Well, not new, but all the stuff that's available from Govee. This is the neon rope light. And there's actually no neon whatsoever. It's a neon effect, but these things are LED. I'm at Rolling Square. This is an iPod accessories company, and I have used some of the products to begin with. However, the best part about it is the casing. This packaging is full 100% recyclable, including this plastic. The plastic is not just regular plastic, but it's a corn-based bioplastic. It's thick. It's very clear. In fact, it feels slightly better than plastic, and I know for a fact that the recyclable packaging like this costs a lot of money, and I'm glad that company like a Rolling Square actually use this type of plastic. It's such a responsible packaging, responsible for the environment. That's great. Remember I talked about BPC before? Well, this is beyond BPC. It's BPC to the 10th degree, I guess. Weird. A lot of weird stuff. A lot of weird stuff at CES. So this is my final day at CES. My final day eating Panda Express as well, for this year at least. Yeah, this is what I had in the last 5-6 days. Yeah, I'm not gonna need Panda Express for at least another year. Well, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.